They named their own candidate, eh? Who?
You won't like him, Jim.
Come on, who?
Henry Hill.
Henry Hill? That crackpot, that long-haired? Why, you should have killed that so fast.
I couldn't, Jim, I couldn't. Those men were...
Never mind what they were. You forget about them, see?
Jim, that bunch is out for blood. If I throw Horace in their teeth right now...
I said forget about them. Horace Miller goes to the Senate and that settles it.
Look here, Marina. You and I are like one person. I always thought you wanted both of us to be educated and...
I didn't mean that. Of course I want you to go to the university.
Of course. It would make me sad if you didn't, and ashamed. But it wouldn't matter. I'd go anyway. I'm a citizen of this country. I intend to go forward with it and to give it all I have. I have strong feelings about it. You come along with those feelings. But you don't come before.
But that was different.
No, Bill, no. It doesn't matter when you've lived, or whether you're off to the South Pole, or a cure for cancer, or just a job. You've got to want it so much that you'd be willing to drown, or starve, or freeze to get it. You've got to have faith that it's there, and then fight for it. And with God's help, you'll win.
Don't worry. I'll follow the dream. It may be a long step from my blueprints to the cities I'm going to build, but I'll build them. I'll build them.
So proudly ring out while we sing out, hail, hail, hail. Won't you ring them bells?
Haven't had a chance like that in years. I had to try it.